Thinking of getting an alarm? Do you need to renovate or expand your existing system? Don't worry, it doesn't have to look like this. Our Jablotron 100 Plus alarm is in fact a hybrid system. This means that it doesn't matter at all whether you have detectors in your building that communicate over the air or over the wire, so to speak. Actually, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference at the first glance. With almost 200 products in our portfolio, we can easily meet all your requirements for the security options, but also for the design of each product. So feel free to contact a certified Jablotron installation partner in your area to get a customized solution. A trained technician will be able to offer you the combination of wireless and bus devices that best suits your needs and ultimately your wallet. And don't forget, the Jablotron 100 Plus does more than just protect your safety, health and property. It also offers smart solutions for your home or business for easy operations and greater everyday convenience. If you want to know more, check out our website jablotron.com or contact a Jablotron installation partner in your area. A trained technician. And don't forget, the Jablotron 100. Actually, you wouldn't.